And we're back with more trading. Let's see. So far, we got the IAF and ISPW. Let's see if I can get some trades on this. One share here. Okay. All right, let's see this. Target 225. No, strong gaps. Yeah, I guess that one is good, but that's kind of low. Little gap here, but not strong enough, it seems like. All right, nothing so far, so we'll be patient. Okay, here we go. Possible cap. Ooh, I don't have this ISPC. Come on, I don't have it open. Hold. That's good, that's awesome. 3K only here, let's see. I like this opening, this red, mini red to green here. 2-7. Want to add to this, come on. Don't break 2, but I love to add to this if possible. Come on. Morning surge on you, morning surge, 10 seconds. We'd love to see it. Random morning surge. Seller getting out of the way, come on. I'm sticking with this. Taking a little long, but it's there. You are there. Buyers, you see the amount of buying that's happening here? I would like to see this work. Nice, back to over 30 on the ask, 28 now. You need to fold 2. Ideally, you fold 2. 2 is VWAP. 42, that is. Still holding. Could give a nice move here. No, out. Okay. We tried it. All right, here we go. $87. $87. And lower to 85. I don't know. I'll wait for something more clear. Start one in the candle went lower to 85. Good work, but I'd rather wait for something more clear. That's nice, 92. 4. All right, maybe this is more clear here. Second, so the low that is 90. Maybe we can get a nice little dip. Or this breakout. Yeesh, classic rejection. Okay, but held. Good. 97. This is going to be interesting here. Are we going to get one more big green candle? Hope we do. Hopefully it's not too extended yet, over 2. 97 is that low. Seller. Dang. Another one. Another one that just gets away from me. I mean, I looked at it here and it looked fine, but man, 3 minutes later, look where it is. Dude, brother. Alright, well. It's gonna be a tough one to chase. If only you could just hold that, brother. Gosh. 225 is a target on this. Maybe we can take a dip on this next candle if it holds. Give a nice strong dip. Below 4. Stop 97. Below 4, stop 97. Below 4. I'm risking about like 150 in this move. Below 4. No. Not yet. Dang it. That was a really good strength from 85. Really good move. Really good move. Now we want to see a pullback if we can hold. Devs. DEVS. 97 is that stop there. So I could get, I could, yeah, 5 cents. I could lose 5 cents on this. If I could get it under 204. Be impatient there. Be impatient. Hopefully it doesn't reject all the way down. We get a nice dip at 204. But let's see it. Staying patient here. Seller at 12. Little seller there, could break. Come on. Yeah, hold it. Hold the pullback. Come on. Dips are holding really well, right above 6. Yeah, right above 5, 7. That's strong. It's pretty strong. I'm looking for that entry right, that test, a good test at 2. Here we go. Test 2. Nope. 15. Yeah. Dang it, brother. I miss a lot of trades like this. Sadly, that's what happens. So I gotta develop a strategy for these kind of setups. So I know there are buyers here. So I either gotta get in there or get in there with smaller size and jump and add to these positions. Here we go. 12 is that low. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's working so strong, you know? Working real strong, working real well. 25 there, target. Dang, brother. There it goes without me. Shoot. Dang. Not a single dip. Dang. Here we go, 120. This have some follow through. Less volume. We have to be patient. We'll find our setup. We'll find our setup. Yes, take that. 3.5. We kind of high, but let's see if I can get a push here. 5, 6, 7. No. No, 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 no. Not yet, I guess. Coming down. Back to 6. Yeah. Yes. No. Ugh. Friday. Let's see. 214. Man, I wish we got a little dip here. One can dream. One can dream. All right, let's see if you're actually going to keep going. So I'll take 1K here. Not really wanting to size up too much on this because we're at the highs and we eat a loss, then it's like kind of annoying, but 33 here for one more squeeze to 40. Let's see, 10 seconds. Nope, rejection. Oh, back over 33. Let's see it, let's see it. Full 33. Dang, it's immediate. Immediate. It's an immediate buy. Oop, back down. Yeah, it's getting choppy up there. Yeesh. So, will it give a dip here at 16? Dang, what a move, huh? Let's see, what kind of dip do we get? What kind of dip do we get? This is coming here again. 21. With smaller volume though. Increasing volume here, 21. Ideally you hold to, there's a big seller somewhere up there. The 20s. Let's see. 22. Let's see if we can test that seller. Well, it's 21 dip. We'll give it a little dip. He's not gonna dip. Ooh, 26 seller. Yeah, that's a big seller there. Not gonna mess with this. Give it a little dip and we test that seller one more time. 22. 22 was good. 21. 22, fine. 22 again. Test that seller. Stop 21. Very good entry, 22. 23, 24. Don't drop, don't drop. Yeah, don't drop. Oh, held. Okay. Now all goes holding it at 22. All right, what do we got here? 32 now. One more time. We'll take some size here. Seems like it wants to go here again. So it needs to hold 32. It might go right away here. Yeah, it's gonna go right away, huh? Yeesh. 38, 37. I'll take 2K here. Nah, I'll get used to it. 3K, come on, we can do it. Next setup here, we'll keep it tight. 32. Rejection there, 33. Yeah, no, you see? That's why we kind of wait for that setup to work. Hold down is 185. So I want to see this at 214, 210. So three topping wicks on the 5-minute. Ooh, Gabri claim over 30. Gets back over 30, this could be a different story. This could be a totally different story. Back over 30, it could be a totally different story. Hold 30 though. Hold 30. Don't want to just take it. Yeah, let's do it. Holding 30. Come on, come on. Give me some love. Give me some love. Nice. 31, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34. Come on, 33. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Nope, not gonna push it. Dang it. Should have pushed it already. Could try it again. Holding 31. Too long though. Too long. Okay, here we go. Gap reclaim here. That was a gap reclaim 1. Gap reclaim 2. Ah, there it is. There it is. It could be this. No. It's heavy. It's doing it though. Yeesh. Did that gap reclaim right there. Ah. That's kind of annoying. It's kind of annoying. Shoot. Took too long, but I had to get back in there. What about this? This is kind of too high here. I want to see this thing dip into probably. Alright, this we got more volume here. Dip. Break of 50 here. We're gonna go for the break of 50. So it needs to hold this dip here for us to take it. 35 is that low? There it is. In at 38. Some sell off here. Don't sell off. Reclaim, 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 reclaim. Reclaim. Reclaim, holding, holding, holding. Let's see this push through 40. Reclaim back over 40. You're strong. You're strong. You're strong. Yep, and go here. Nice. Let's get these buyers through. Let me get my trade, man. Let me get my trade through 50, and then you can do whatever you want. Holding 2 seconds. Okay, I need this volume right now. Bull flag. Bull flag here. Volume. That's not gonna do it. Dang. Ah, but it holds 38. Back to 41. Brother. Okay, looks like I mistimed that. Mistimed that. Mistimed it a bit. Dang, mistimed it. Look at that. Okay. That's kind of annoying. But here we go. It needs to hold 44. Pretty tight up here. Oh, fills are very slow. Is my Wi-Fi? Slow fills. Dang it, brother. Yeah. Mistime this. I wish I had to hold break of 35 as my stop. I gotta hold that. And I would be seeing here 48. Gotta hold it. That's my stop. That's my stop. Dang. Okay. Dang. Okay. This one decided to grind up here. The dip into this 5-minute gap. Nice. Now let's see how well this thing likes to develop and if it wants to make a bigger move. Ooh, not a nice rejection here. Not the nicest rejection. We get a dip down here. 24 to 18, hold it's 289. Yeah. We can get a dip here. 218 to let's see how far this thing drops. We can get like a 5-cent pop. Or seller or buyers are gonna be sitting right above 20 like we did here. Could be. Two big red gaps. All right. Ooh wee. Here we go. 14. 11. I'll take 11. Hold 11. Nice. Stop is tight 10. Hold 11. Nice. Good hold of 11. 12, 13. All right. Let's see this thing. 14. Very good. 15. Come on, get back over VWAP. I'll take it here. I don't know if it's gonna do it. VWAP is right there. Right into this gap, also right into the 5-minute. I just have VWAP right here in our heads. Then I have this red gap. It's all inside a 5-minute gap, but you know, it's not 100% that it'll work. But I see the volume coming in. Yeah, not working. 12. Okay, here we go. Can we get a div 224 to 18? 224 to 218. We'll see how this holds. It could still be good. The IAF bouncing off these levels. Okay. Okay, this thing bounced off this level here, right above the gap. 31. I'll take 1K because this could be an easy rejection here. So don't want to risk too much. Come on. Easy rejection, or are we going to go through this? I'll take 2K. Make some damage here with 2K. Didn't get a dip, so looks like we might push. No, back to 38. Okay. All right. Looks like we got a nice dip here. Dip, 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 dip. 38 is that low. Anything lower than 40, 45, 46. Jeez. Okay, man. I'm slacking right now. Slacking on the pullbacks. Super slacking on the pullbacks. Okay, we got the volatility we want. 250. Wonder if we're gonna get a dip here. Aggressive dip. 246. Let's get an aggressive dip here. Let's get an aggressive dip. Brother, man, I'm slacking. I'm slacking right now. Jeez. What a stock, man. What a beautiful move, and I got nothing on it. I'm just drawing lines, bro. I could earn $1 for every line I draw. Oh, dang. Dang. I wanted to see aggressive pullback right here. Boom, and then we go. But no, we get this thing here. Lots of volume there. What's this pullback gonna be like? Pullback? This first pullback is gonna get bought up. So good. So looking for this pullback. Looking for this pullback. Come on, man. Give me a pullback. $58. 53.47. I mean, could definitely give a strong pullback. It's gonna be 1 minute candle to make a new low. Try it under 40 again. Yeah, I'll buy this here. Geesh, I got a little nervous there. 48 was cleaning out. Stop is 47. This is good though. This is good here. Dude, what a fumble. 48 looked like it was thinning out. Okay, dip into this again. Look at even my setup I missed. Jeez, brother. Gee. Got nervous on that. Up 10 cents on this already. See if we can get a nice push here. Reclaim or what? 57 hold. That's okay, we'll get another dip. We'll get a much stronger dip if it doesn't hold this. If it doesn't hold this, we'll get a stronger dip. AIFF. 57, yeah, no. No. Nope, 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 nope. Man. We'll get another pullback. Looks like I might get another pullback here. Holding notes, holding pretty strong. High of this was 73. It's going to be a 5-minute. 5-minute gap right there. 48 to 39. So we could either get a dip under 48, under 53. What's it going to be? Under 53 or 48. I would love to see 48 though. 48 with 39 stops, so 10-cent stop. Ideally not that much. We're able to try it a couple of times to get that trade. Right above 53. It's gonna be dang. Right above the gap, huh? Right above the gap. Yeesh, this is strong. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. There it is. 43 though. Nah, don't know about 43. Looking a little weak there, 43. Come on, give me some love. A little lower. 42. 43's holding. What's the low of this? 39. Wish I got a little lower at 41. What was the low? Yeah, impossible to get 41. Here we go. I could even get it a little bit lower here. 36. Even if it breaks this gap and reclaims lower. Here we go. Break this gap or lower, it's fine. 41. Test 41 and 40. Because this thing could still work. Held 43. Dang. It looks like it's gonna come lower, that's why I get out. But it doesn't. It doesn't come lower. Dang. See. Here we go. Let's see. Yes. I'm in at 36.50. This is actually much better. Don't, please, come on. Don't do that. Don't do that. Cold. Yes. Nice. Cold. Don't do that. Been waiting for this dip. Yes. Cold. The other gap down there was decent, which is good. This is why I got in there. 39. Holding, 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 staying calm, staying calm, staying calm. Gotta follow my strategy. Ah, come on. Don't. Buying, buying. I'm seeing a lot of buying here. Dang it, brother. Not liking this too much here. Okay. 39. Here we go. Not liking this too much, but I'm seeing green. Beautiful green. Come on. 41, 42. All right, back to flat. Okay. Don't really like that. We got, let's see, what did we get actually? We got in at 39, out 36. We got in 36, out 30, out 40. So we basically got back to flat on that. Trying to catch this low. Got this little gap right here at 36. Man. Yeah, it's playing with fire. You much rather be on this side of the move, right? Ah, okay. Well, gonna keep it tight. The thing is, let's see. The thing is, I would like, gotta find myself an entry here, even with 1,000 shares. Buy it here and just kind of let it work. Give it the space it needs. All right, then add into that position. I should do that. But wow, look at this. Okay, turned out to be a good area to keep holding. All right. Anyway, we're getting our reps in, so we will see. We will look for another trade. Okay, we're lingering around this gap. Let's see what we can do. Lower green volume though. Don't like to see that, but it's moving. It's moving. Incredible. Incredible. This stock is incredible. Okay. Top is this gap, so 48. Wish you could hold 48. Let's see. You're able to dip and hold 48. Okay, I need to change my expectations on this. Probably need to change my expectations on this. This is strong. I need to adapt to this one. This one is strong for a Friday, so we got 48 to 57. Hopefully it's not a massive rejection. And at 56. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got caught. Dang it, bro. Okay, so the one time it decides to flush, it flushes, and I get caught. All right. Dang it. 50, 60, 40. Yeah, I lost almost Yeah, basically almost 10 cents on this thing. Not good, not fun, not fun. Hesitating quite a bit, not fun. So yeah, I'll stay patient on this one and find a better entry. Let's see how well this likes to hold here. 35 is that low. Hasn't broken out yet. Take 1K here. Let's see if I can see a move here. We'll keep it tight. Yeah, we'll keep it tight here. 36. Keep it tight. 30. There it is. 36 and a half. All right, I like this better. Hopefully we hold this level. Looking to add to my position. Let's see. That area's been holding. We got some volume coming through here. 35, 34. No. All right. Taking 1K on that. That's okay. Now here, is it gonna hold 40? Real question. Real question here. 40 is a big level. Back to 36. Okay, now I like this. Let's see this. Let's see this green candle here. Nice, 38. Looking to add to this. $38, $39, $36.5 again. So gap reclaim here. So 1 minute gap. Hopefully, I think we might see it now. Back to 36. Back to 36. 35. 37 again. 38. 40. Oh my, what? Wow, that's criminal, man. That's criminal, dude. What the heck? Oh, that was such a bad flush. That is such an annoying flush. What the heck? Alright, the day it's completely gone here. Somebody just unloaded a ton of shares here, and then I got cooked on that. But it bounced off 26. It seems like 27. Dang. Okay, looks like after it dropped all the way down here, it bounced off the gap. Now we're pushing. Now we're getting the move I wanted to see. Dang, that sucks. That sucks the way it moved, huh? $46, $47. Will we get a move here? 41. 50. This is the move I wanted to see. I got caught on the wrong end of it. Alright, what about this one? 24 to 18. Oh, that was 23. It's a nice little gap. We'll see how much more it wants to go.
ACXB, UBIF, UBSY, AIFF. LABD.
Well, this is 18. So dip under 20. Could be good. Yeah, this stupid stock. That's the move I want to see. Had to shake me out, huh? Had to shake me out to see that move. That's all right. That's all right.
UBIX, BMNZ, LABD, BTCZ, UBSY, SBIT.
So looking for this dip below 20. VWAP is 14. Yeah, risking about 5 cents here. So I could probably get in a flush, but the 18 is that low. So looking for this to at least not break 18. So looking for under 20. 22. 23. 23. Could still come down more. 24.
USTV,
24, 25. Green, but it's not going. So let's see this a little lower. How about that?
USTV,
How about we see this a little lower?
CSPV,
24. 23. What does it want to do? 22. 22. Let's do it. 24. 28. I mean at 25, 6. Almost got in 24. Wish they gave me 24, but this might be a good one here. I'm a little high, so I would want to get in just like a 30. Wish I was in a little lower. 27. Some volatility there.
LABD,
Nice, come on, 27, 28.
DEVS preview. DEVS TV.
What is this level here? 30. Okay, maybe at 30 we could get a nice little exit at 30.
DEVS preview.
Taking one out here, taking two out here. Fine, I'll take two out right here. I'll wait for the next move. I'll keep holding 1,000 break even. Pretty good. Alright, I'll take it out right there. Fine. Hitting its head right here on this red gap. We'll wait for another trade. Good trade though. Nice, could have been a good entry down 21, but that's fine. We waited for that setup. We waited for the volume to shift, so that was good. Looking for the next trade. Stay patient here. Here we go. What's it gonna be here? You know, could hold here, but you know, we're risking a flush. But 21 could be a good spot. 21. Our gap here is 24 to 18. So 21 seems to have hold. Okay, not bad. 21 held. All right, we'll stay patient. Okay, here we go. This doesn't seem to keep wanting to come down. It's holding here very well. Let's see. Mm, 18, 19. Ooh, 19. 18 had a freaking ton of buyers. Yeah, let's do it here. 1,000 shares here. Let's see. Okay, looking to add to this. 1,000 shares at the lows. Yeah, this could be the low actually. So let's stay hopeful that this is the low. In at 21. Just 1,000 shares in. Not too crazy. Not too crazy with the size right at the lows. Looking to add to this though. We're able to break this level. Five. Nice. 6. Nice. 7. Nice. 31. Wow. Amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. Good trade right here. Okay, we're gonna look to add to this. So we're going for the bigger move here. We get a bigger gap up here, a red 5-minute bearish gap. So dang. 10 cents right now with 3,000 shares. It's looking pretty good, but we shall see. We shall see. Keep it realistic here. We're facing some resistance. This level would be 36 by 43. The plan is to find a place to add, okay? So if that's the plan, then we gotta find it. This money right here, it doesn't mean much. What matters is we find the way to trade this thing, how it likes to be traded. So sellers are gonna try to stack it up. So dip below 30 could be a nice dip, and then we're gonna go in for the bigger move here. Did dip below 30 right there, 29, but it was fast. Wondering if this is going to give another dip here. 34. Oosh. So 35. Looking for another dip here. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. This thing has been strong, so it's still 10 minutes to 11:30. That might be the trade we need. So I'm not gonna fumble this. So closing that red gap. Closing that red gap. So we may see a dip here, back to 26, and then back up again. So we gotta stay put. We gotta stay put. We got a good position here. We got an excellent position on this. It's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. What we're gonna see here, man. If it decides to go right away, who am I to stop it? You know. So 36 here. That was their initial target here, 36, which doesn't sound too bad after all. Facing resistance. Yeah, I'll take it off here. Good. So that was a decent trade. Facing resistance at this gap. That's the best thing to do right now. Even though I wanted to add, I'm not gonna add right there, right on resistance. It's not the right idea. I can add here again on this dip at 26. So we got ourselves back to green, or back to flat on this thing with a beautiful trade. It's still red on the day, but I think we can get a nice trade here. dip under 29, stop 26, 25, dip under 29, we could get a nice dip with more size now. So let's see. 29, 28, 27. We'll keep it tight. We'll keep it tight. I don't think I'll eat a flush around here, but keep it tight. 29, 28. Nice. Close that gap. Don't let a gap form, but come down to 28. Still, though, come down to 28. So that's going to be a top of the gap setup then. Come back to 28. Come back to 28. Low green volume. Let's see. The previous 5 minute doesn't look the best. Let's see here. Holding, no, holding 30. Need to go use the bathroom. All right, here we go. Back from the bathroom. What do we miss? What do we miss? So far it's been holding 29. A dip under 30, 20, a dip under 29 could bring a massive move, a massive amount of volume that we need. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Here we go. 29. I gotta see the tape and I gotta see the level 2. How well it's gonna hold. Cause it could also be that it doesn't even go to 28. Like right here. Yep. Shoot. Yeah, it didn't even go to 28. Alright, then we're gonna do a gap and go here then. Gap and go here. 31. If this has strength, then we'll do it here. If you have strength, then we will probably do it here. We'll keep it tight. We'll keep it tight, we'll keep it tight. Stop 30, stop 31. It was 33, then I don't know. Back to 34, 33, 32, 31. Okay, here we go. Rejection. Let's get the dip at 28 that I wanted. Hmm. Still waiting. Still waiting. Being patient. Being patient. Being patient here. Am I actually dip now? Double top. 35. Being patient. All right, here we go. So, are we grabbing more liquidity or is this gonna fail? It's a real question. Stop will be 25 area. So looking to make this trade. 29. I mean, if you grab more liquidity down at 25, then we have this other gap, 24 to 18. Dang. Want to do it. Stuff is strong, it's holding. Holding very strong. Jeez, top of the gap. Holding so strong. This could work right here over 34. Working right here over 34. Over 34. Come on. Let me get this. Let me get this. I'm in at 38. Let me get this. Let me get this break. In at 38. 39. 37. Come on. Let me get this break. I'm in at 38. You know you want to push. 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 Come on, come on, come on, come on. Squeeze these shorts, squeeze these shorts. Squeeze these shorts. There we go. 42. 42. 42. 43. I'll take it. 43. Nice. Thank you. 43, the top of that gap. Nice. Good exit. Exit on the ask. Finally a good trade on this thing. And we are what? Barely green on the day. Wow, what a turnaround of events of us adapting to the stock, not hesitating. All right, let's see what this wants to do. Actually, this gap is not gone yet. I need to keep that there. That gap is not gone. That gap's still there. So 38 to 43. That's a decent trade. We could still continue to hold, but that was the top of the gap. That's a decent place to exit. I'm also risking 1 cent, so 38. Well, risking 2 cents. No, 37, like 2 cents. So that's kind of like a 2 to 1. So let's see what it wants to do here. Okay, so looks like it might happen right away. Here we go. So 42 there. Volume's coming in here. 42. What does it want to do? What do you want to do? 44, 44, 43, 42, 42 hold, 42 hold, 42 hold, yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for not breaking me there. Out at 42. Woo! Thank you. Almost got caught there. 37 by 34. Good exit on time. 37 by 34. That could have been a mega squeeze. It reacted by rejecting. So dip. We want to see a dip to 35, see if we can get it. It doesn't dip into gaps. So this one doesn't dip into gaps. What happens is top of the gap setup happens quite a ton, quite a lot. And it has been that if it dips into gap, it's like at the lows, like at the lows down here. So at the lows of the move. So you might not even get a dip to 37. 37 to 34 here. Maybe we won't see it. Short's trying to reclaim that level again. Short's reclaiming this red gap. But let's see how well this reacts under 37 to 34, right? 37 to 34. Yeah, don't want to do it. Don't want to test the gap. Don't want to test the gap this one. Allergic to gaps. Allergic to gaps, huh? So, what now? Shoot, bro, shoot. I know what it's going to do, but I just don't take the trade. Shoot, man. Okay, let's see. Test 47 one more time. Yeah, I know I can do it. I know I can do it. This is like obvious setup here. I know I can take 5K. I don't think I'll get flushed on. I could risk 3 cents here. Well, no, let me not do that because I'm pretty much later in the day. I don't want to eat a freaking 3-cent loss and then down like 200 bucks. So, okay, here we go. We know it's allergic to gaps. If you're allergic to gaps, the likelihood that you'll go into 37 is pretty low. We're hovering in this red gap. So if I was short, I would probably get in here with a stop at the highs. All right, red gap, short, hovering here. I also got to consider that this stock has been pretty strong. So I'm also, if I'm short, I also got this green gap right here. So I would wait for it. I would take it here, low of the gap, see what it does. Right, I would take it right here, 42, if I was short. And if I was short, I would want it to come to 37, test 37, make sure we can break it. Right? If I was short, I'd be like, okay, let's see. I'd be like, let's see 37 here, let's see 34. $38. It's allergic to gaps, so are we gonna try it here at 37? Here we go, 37. This thing won't go into the gap. This thing won't go into the gap. Is it? Yes, it is. 36. 34. Okay, shorts might be in control now. Back to 34. Gap reclaim. Gap reclaim. I need to see green. 34, I need to see green. 34, I need to see green. 34, I need to see green. Yeah, let's do it here. I need to see this here. I need to see this here. Good. Good. Minute 35.6. Nice. 37. 38. Come on. Wee. Wee, 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 wee. Wee, 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 wee. Stop is 34. Ah. Back to 35. Okay, good. 36. Not bad. 34. Don't go to 34 again. Stick to 35. 34. Don't thin out. Stay strong. Nice. 36, 37. Good. 36, 37. Good. Staying calm. Here we go. All right. Let's see. 35 again. 36, 37. Okay. Good. Holding this gap. 35. Yeah, I'm out. No. Not good. Alright. I tested 34 quite a few times. AIFF. What's it gonna be? 57 to 53. This thing, bro. This thing got me. Got me good. This thing got me good. 57 to 53 could be a good dip. Man, yeah, that's like that. This is done. No business up here. No business up here. Wow, look at this. That's incredible. All right then. Did we get rid of this gap? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Wow. Okay, that's beautiful. Dang, we never entered 29, dude. Are we gonna enter 38? We're gonna enter 38? 38 to 34. I know I can get it. Come on. Dude. You entered 38. 40. Algos at 40. Algos at 40. Algos could be at 40. Top of the gap setup, perhaps. $40, 38, 34, that low. We can definitely get it. Dang, that happened so fast. Yeah, that happened so fast right there. 40, I'll goes at 40. Let's see what this wants to do. 43. Not even testing 38, dude. 42, 41, back to 40. 37, 37. Oof. What is it, 37 or what? Dang, that rejection was freaking crazy. What's it gonna be? I do like it though. Top of the gap here, 38, 37, 36, 36. I'll take it 37. Back up there, 40. Stop is gonna be flat, basically flat-ish. Come on. No, man, I'm taking the wrong setups. Oh, God. Taking the wrong setups, bro, and I'm like, dude, it's like, I don't know. Don't know, don't know, don't know. Looks good for 1 second, doesn't look good for the next. Let's just be patient here. Yeah, well, I definitely had the trade in my hands and I just don't trust it, man. Ugh, why? Why is this happening to me, bro? So eager to have faster resolution that I'm forgetting that these are my setups, you know? These are my setups. That's my setup right there. Stop 36. Hold it, you know? Dang, brother. Hold it. Hold it. You know you can hold it. Ooh, you. No, don't like that. Lost more than a cent on that. Yes, 44. That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. I need to see the algos. I want to see the algos and I want to see the squeeze happening here. Nice. In. Test of 50, test of 50, test of 50. Nothing, bro. 44 is that low? It doesn't like to enter gaps, so this might be good. I had to trade, bro. I had to trade. I had to trade in my hands. Out right here, 48 for 10 cents. Dang, bro. That's annoying. Just trust it. Just trust your setup. All right, let's get a div and I'll trust my setup. Dang. It loves to hold gaps. Mm. 46. Okay. Come on. Nah, I'm in too high here. Wish I got in 44. I'm in too high. That's too high. That's definitely too high. Yeah, that's definitely too high. Even if it works, that's too high. 44, 43 gave that entry. I didn't take it. Mm. 43 again. Dang. 43. It could flush, or we could hold. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? It immediately jumps 2 cents. You know? Immediately jumps 2 cents. We could flush or we could go here. Very interesting spot. It's strong. It's been strong all day. This red volume is weak. We could flush or we could go here. Flush or we could go. There it is. That's the volume. That's the volume we want to see. It's the volume we want to see, but I don't know if that's enough strength here to do it. I think we might though. 46. 46, hold 46, taking 2K now. Not gonna risk it here. Yeah. So 36 was a dip. Uh, 36, come on, take it. Thirty-six, 36, 34. 2. Maybe I should leave this alone. I should leave this alone now. I covered 34. Okay, I'll take that. Dang. Just getting kind of like a not so good fill. Gap reclaim there. Interesting, 39. What's this level here? 40. I got a sort of like a gap reclaim there. Taking half out there. Not sure if it's gonna go all the way through, but if it does, so be it. Holding. I'm gonna hold the 1K. Break even 35. We'll see. Could give a strong move. It might be the one. Just when you don't think you have a good setup in your hands. It could actually work. Stop flat 35. Nice, 40. Good volume there. No. No, don't do that. Good volume. Came in there, good volume. 40 again. Forty one more time. So it's testing 40. Might get it off here if it doesn't want to break 40. but it's what's this low? 31, 33, a minute 34. I might get this break even. If it didn't go there at 40, so I might get this break even here, but we'll see. We'll see.
That's easy.
So 37 keeps holding. 37 breaks, I think we might see a flush. So I gotta see 37 to bid at 37. Making sure we stay compact here. We remain strong. We bid at 37. Bid at 37. So red here, we 36. Oh, jumping up. All right, whatever. All right, we're finished here after a great day yesterday. Today we came in and we got a decent little day. We went red 280, but we recovered it. Red almost 300, but we recovered it. I must say, yeah, BIAF was a struggle for me. Didn't take the first trade until here, and even that, why did I take this out so soon? No, first trade was here actually. So here, not at first trade, not until here, which is kind of crazy, right? Yeah, like missed all this. I hesitated on this area, didn't have any conviction here. There was a gap here waiting for my dip. It didn't happen. I gotta do something about it. When I know a dip is not gonna come, I know I gotta do something about it. Alright. Anyway, hold on. Alright, anyways. We got some good trades though, so let's take a look at that. The best trade we got 3 really good trades, huh? Amazing. But one with 1,000 shares. Could have been 3K, but it only took 1,000 at the lows. Another one with 3K for 5 cents, not bad. 3K for 3 cents. Almost 4. But basically this was the best trade, and off the lows, I looked at it right in the gap. Bam, perfect exit, perfect entry. Could have been 3K. Could have and should have been 3K. But honestly, I can't go back. I gotta accept it. You know, the plan was to take small size and add into this move. Turns out it didn't give me a place to add, so I gotta just take it. So that was the decision I made, and I'm okay with it. Can't be going back and forth and thinking, oh, that should have done this, could have done that. That's the decision I made, and we just gotta stick with it. Next, we got a nice little trade. Gap and go, boom, nice. Got a nice trade. Um, and well, this was a good trade too. What is this? Oh yeah, we got that one. And then this was a good trade too. Gap and go here. Boom. Not bad. Out. Got some nice moves there. Anyway, um, AIF. Oh, AIFF. AIFF was kind of an annoying one, bro. Uh, I got out of that so quick. I panic sell this thing because it was slow, but it was holding the gap. I tried it a couple times before that. One, two times, one time, two, okay, three. It's holding. I like this setup, but I get destroyed here. Boom, lose 8 cents on this. Losing 8 cents just to see it bounce. There was a 5 minute gap right here. It entered it right I think it entered at 1 cent. And then you get a nice little bounce here. Choppy bounce, holds, stronger bounce. And this is the move I wanted to see right here. I knew it was happening, but it had to shake people out. And it shook me out, down 120 on it. Only 1,000 shares too, you know, I'm just trying to simple trades. Just simple trades. Down 1,000 shares. Can you believe that? I mean, at least I wasn't taking 5K or 3K. That would have been 3 times this. That would have been down, you know, 360 on it. Then I would have been real red. Yeah, anyway, it's good. It's good we're playing with the size. We're playing with yeah, we're playing with the size and understanding that, you know, there are places I need to take some big size, or places I can just, you know, throw in 1,000 shares, let it cook, see how well it develops, add into it, and you know, take it from there. Anyway, so far so good. Um, so far so good. Let's see. So taking all these, finishing the week green, finishing last week green as well. So, dude, I'm proud of myself. After taking a lot of size and taking a lot of hits, I realized that I can do it. I can do it. You can do it. You can take big size and still be profitable. You can take big size and be profitable. So stick to it. Stay calm. Stay relaxed. Acknowledge the risk. Read the algos. Read where the algos are at. You know, commit to your trades. Set your stop. Do it. Hold. You know, I failed once, twice, 3 times, but the fourth time when it works, man, it works really well. So gotta have confidence in my strategy. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try your free trading analysis tool, check out our features, and join us for $5 a month or 50 a year, or yeah, $5 a month or 50 a year. And I'll see you on Discord. Hit me up if you need any help. And stay tuned for more updates on Mr. Profit and on my trading. So follow me on Discord. Come on, join the channel, join the community. All right, I'll see you next week.